Earlier, our users, right, our people used to stay on radio. They used to watch television. They used to read newspaper. Right? They used to read magazine. So most of the advertisement, most of the promotion, we used to do that platform only. Correct? Nowadays, all people are on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. All of the people are there on LinkedIn. Right? All celebrities and all persons are on X. Right? All young generation people like you are on Instagram. Right? People from 13 to 45, 50, 56, 60, they are still scrolling Facebook. They are still alive on Facebook. If you ask them on Facebook, they will say answer. But if you ask them again, they will have Facebook. Right? So, if I have to target, if I have to promote those my customers, so I have to do these like all. Because everyone, my customers are there on Instagram. Either they are watching Instagram, or they are on Facebook, or they are on LinkedIn, or they are on Google, they are on YouTube. So that is the reason the promotion of my product and services I have to do in there. Correct? And what is the purpose of in-marketing or sales? What is the purpose of sales and marketing? Profit, generating revenue. Anything, right? See here, if you do promotion, people will come to you. People will come to you, they buy your product. Right? So in part of sales and marketing, our core job is to increase the revenue and increase the sales. Whatever I'm doing, if I'm doing Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing, my job is to get the revenue. And for getting revenue, I should have a sales. That is the thing, sales and marketing is correlated. Marketing is all about expenses and sales is all about